Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I have just got to say that one thing about Umusa Beno Samke, they are messy, you guys. The way they decided, or them even deciding to be in a relationship with one another to an extent of even taking it to marriage. Guys, this whole thing is so messy, you guys. And I feel like both of them, they knew Usamke yena I can give us some sort of grace because yingani. Kodwa Musa, he's old, guys, for so much drama or to get married underneath so much drama. Now, guys, we know Wuti in tonight's episode, Usamke gets to meet the family. She gets to meet the Umat family and gets to meet Ingan Zawam Selegu. Now, guys, we already spoke about how in Ganzawam Selegu, they were so shocked. I saw with you on next week's episode, we see Umpilo in Clan. She gets an opportunity, you guys, in the diary session and lesson. I know one thing about Abongwe, Nompilo, they are going to eat up those diary sessions. So I can't wait to hear what they've got to say. But one thing that made me love, guys, angithi there by the Taylor family, there was one Umalumo Wagwa. When Usamke came in with her two aunts, not Umalumo Wawatele asking with your mumfazi lana. Like he's asking like which one is the wife? Like to say you couldn't even spot which one could possibly be the wife there amongst the three of them, Usamke and the two aunts. Okay, fine. Usnege the way she greets Usamke, then Umatele asks which Usne Yamazi in Usne says yes, it's my friend. And then Umpilontle is like looking at Usne. She's like, guys. Now, guys, one thing about Usne, guys, Usne seems like the type of person that Uzwana with everyone. Now, there's some people who use the word friend lightly, guys. There's some people who call everyone their friends. And then there's some people like us getting a message friend. We don't just call anyone friend. So I'm curious to know what type of friendship did they have? But one thing about Usne, hey guys, I got him big Usne. Now I know there has been rumors on the streets before this episode that Usne is friends with Usamke. I don't know how close they are. But one thing about Usne, guys, Usne gives those vibes. Uthi if umunganaik wamjwayela kabi nje. One like just one wrong move usnails or pimpin dabazako, I keep my file one by one. So I'm just like Samke, I really hope Ugut was safe. I really hope Ugut was safe here because if Usne has your files, listen, we are all going to know about those files, you guys. But I'm just like, nah, man, like I don't know whether I want to say I'm disappointed in Umusa, the way he went about. Apparently, he made a promise with Umakumanu, which he would never take he would never take a second wife or another wife or wives from the same place. And that's the reason that Umakumalo says that's the reason why she's not happy with this decision. Apparently, Umakumalo is like, listen, uyangazi mina, I know everyone, and I'm sure ukuthi usamke uyangazi, uyasazi sonke. I'm just like, Makumalo, please, Nam, please. Like, I know, like, please don't come and play hypocrite with us. Because, I mean, did you not know, Matsaila, when you got married into the family? Maybe she can clarify that to us. I mean, did you not marry Umusa Gamapetto while Umayeni was still having her marriage or whatever? Like something that we still don't get till today. And you coming to get mad at something similar. Like, ma'am, it's almost as if uMakhumalo was saying ukuthi like uLokhuzana uSamke uyangazi, so why is she doing that engazi? I'm like, ma'am, please shush. You the last person to speak about stuff like that. But I'm just like Musa and Usamke, it's messy, you guys. I don't like the way they went about things, and I feel like maybe it was the excitement, but I don't know if it was the excitement because angazi ukuthi bajole isikhathi esingakanani. But I'm just like, guys, this is too messy, man. And nibadala, where's wena Musa? Umdala. Imagine you're me as a wife, guys. I would be so embarrassed. I would be so embarrassed for my husband too. Yo, guys, There's nothing embarrassing, more embarrassing than having a man ozitshela ukuthi unesidima wena. Umguqele phansi, guys. Kanti le estradeni, he's busy with yeah, guys, let's just park it right there. But anyway, everything is out in the open. Umusa's adamant ukuthi he's gonna take her as a wife. So whether ukuthi like everything, guys, ngalomshado, everything about this union is just a wrong turn. The only person who's supporting it was Umatsele, and we don't even really know what are our grounds for supporting it, but everyone seems to have a problem with it. And for me, already, that is red flags. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.